Tsunami ALERT after colossal 7.6 magnitude earthquake strikes South Pacific. A major earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 has struck just meters from the South Pacific island, causing experts to issue a tsunami warning. The quake happened 500 kilometers southeast off the islands of Vanuatu, according to the US Geological Survey. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Centre, PTWC, issued a warning for areas close to the quake, although there was no Pacific-wide threat of a tsunami, the Hawaii-based center said. The quake was measured at a depth of about 6 miles. The PTWC issued the preliminary warning of hazardous tsunami waves which covers the region of Vanuatu, Fiji, and New Caledonia. But the magnitude was downgraded to 5.4 and the tsunami warning was later cancelled. In July, an earthquake measuring 6.0 on the Richter scale also struck the same area, sparking tsunami fears. Earthquakes have plagued the South Pacific in 2016, with experts fearing that it could lead a massive catastrophic tremor. Other tremors in the past months include a 6.5 earthquake rocked Ternate in North Maluku, on the east of Indonesia, and a 6.2 tremor occurred 145 miles off the coast off the South Indonesian island of Lombok. The area has been dubbed the Ring of Fire because of the volatile seismic activity.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.